Let's see the Sports Fest of the 40th Mindanao Area Assembly of the Geodetic Engineers of the Philippines here at Butuan. First, the representatives of their respective regions will be presented. Thank God for the organizers and officers of this event. Now that we have prayed and thanked God for this wonderful day, it's time to have fun and play. I will be participating in the sport of badminton. There's a number of sports that you can choose to play and participate with. There's basketball, badminton, darts, chess, and volleyball. This is a good way to have fellowship with different regions and their participants. We can have fun through sports and share our skills with each other. After a long day, the organization prepared a welcome dinner for the delegates of each region. Prizes will also be rewarded to those who won in their respective sport disciplines. It was such a fun and joyful day with our fellow Gs. Thank God for the fun and safety. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in our next adventure. This is Pierre of the Life of Pierre channel. God bless.